Well, everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And before I pull the card, I wanted to let you know a little bit more about the country of Ecuador. So, if you're not familiar with Ecuador, it's actually a country on the Pacific Ocean side of South America. And as its name suggests, it's on the equator. The capital is Quito. And the unique aspect that I can tell you about Ecuador is that it is, per square kilometer, the most biodiverse country in the world. And they take their nature very seriously. The Galapagos Islands, if you know anything about Charles Darwin, they are part of Ecuador. And also, the most unique aspect about the country and its people is that they are the first country in 2008 to officially recognize the rights of nature, not as property, but they recognize that nature has constitutional rights: the right to exist, the right to persist, maintain, and regenerate its vital cycles. So it's a very unique aspect about the country because it is so rich in biodiversity. So, as far as the card for today, um, I'm going to pull it right now, and it is, oh, how appropriate. El Global Warming. El Global Warming, y'all. Okay? So if you have this on your card, on your board, mark it down, and I'll see y'all later, okay? Ciao.